through the winter neglected lake. Uncles, two little green leaves and two brown, with tiny roots taking hold on the clay. As lifting and strengthening day by day, it pushes red branchless, sprouts new leaves, and cell after cell the power in it weaves. Out of the storehouse of soil and clime, to fashion a tree in due course of time. Tree with rough bark and boughs expansion, where the crow can build his mansion, or a man in some new maid lie under whispering leaves and say, are the years of one's life so very bad, when a green tree makes me deliciously glad, as I do now? But where shall I be when this little seed is a tall green tree? As I do now, but where shall I be when this little seed is a tall green tree?